Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, by the way, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like and share. I don't know how you saw this video, but I believe you want to do some braids. Okay, so first of all, you have to pause this video and go to the first part of this video, which is how to section your hair to do your knotless braids. So you have to pause this video and watch that video, then you come back and you watch this video. Okay, so please, if you want to see how I did this knotless braids in no time, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Depuis longtemps, baby, won't you be mine? J'aimerais que tu saches que I'm falling for you. Je fais une chute.
So guys, first of all, if you watch the video where I sectioned the hair, you'll realize that at this point I was already almost done with the braids. So I just want to show you guys maybe 1 or 2 braids or 3 braids, how I do 3 braids. Okay, so you can see how I section this part. So this is my shine jam. I don't know if it's shine jam. I'm going to put it on the screen so you see what I'm using. So I haven't used this before. I've never used this before. This is my first time of using this product to do my braids. But I realized that I've been missing a lot. I've been seeing so many hairstylists using this, but since we're in China, most of these products are not even easy to get. So I had to check on Taobao and I saw someone selling it, and I just realized that it's even sold out. So just in case you want to ask me where I got it, it's sold out. This gel is something else. It's actually good for braids and good also for the baby hair thing. So you can see how I'm parting my hair. I'm doing the bricks layers pattern. So at this point I was supposed to part three braids, and then I will proceed with doing my knotless braids. I have a detailed video also showing you guys how to do knotless braids on a wig, which is a little bit detailed, but on this video I'm just going to show you a little, like I'm just going to zoom in so you see how I actually do it. I'm not going to fast forward this video. I'm just going to make sure you see everything. So like in the previous video, I actually parted each section into 3, and then I braid once or twice, then added my braiding hair, which I also have a video how I prepare on my channel on how I prepare my hair before braiding, like how I stretch and how many pieces I get from one pack. So if you want to check that video out, you can also check this card up. Click that card up to see how many videos which I must have linked in this video, so that you can also get the point. So I actually braided the hair 3 times, and then I added you can braid the hair 3 to 4 times. Now you can see I'm adding this gel on her natural hair, because her hair is actually is it 4C or 4B, I don't know, her hair texture. So I'm adding that gel so that the hair should blend with the braiding hair in order to make the braids smooth. So that's just the reason why I'm adding this gel right now. So I'll just go ahead and do the rest of the hair. I'm just going to fast forward that one a little bit. I believe so many people already know how to do the braids. I don't believe so. I'll let you guys watch slowly, and then yeah, just let me know if you have any question down below. For those of you who don't know where I am, I'm located in China. I live in Shanghai. You can also book your own appointment if you want to do braids like this.